Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Coin Vault, the channel where every coin has a story and every value matters. Today's video is very special because we're looking at a modern circulation coin that many people ignore, but collectors should never overlook. In this episode, we will explore the 10 cents 2025 coin from South Africa, its design, specifications, background, and current value of 70K. So stay with me till the end, because I will also tell you whether this coin is worth keeping for the future or not. Let's start with the basic information. This coin is the 10 cents denomination, issued by South Africa, year of issue 2025, part of the South African Rand decimal system. The 10 cents coin is commonly used in daily transactions, making it a circulating coin, not a commemorative one. However, even circulation coins can have collector interest, especially when they are from newer years like 2025. Now, let's talk about the obverse side, which is the front of the coin. On the obverse, we see the national coat of arms of South Africa. This design represents unity, strength, democracy, and heritage. Above or around the design, you will usually find the country name, South Africa, written in one of the official languages. The coat of arms makes this coin instantly recognizable and connects it to South Africa's national identity. On the reverse side, we find the denomination value, 10 cents, clearly written. The year 2025 is also visible, indicating when the coin was minted. The reverse design is simple, clean, and practical, which is common for modern coins meant for everyday use. This simplicity helps the coin remain durable and easy to recognize in circulation. The 10 cents 2025 coin is made from a copper-plated or steel-based alloy, designed to be durable, cost-effective, long-lasting in circulation. The coin is lightweight, with a smooth or slightly edged rim, suitable for vending machines and cash handling. Modern coins focus more on functionality than precious metal value, but that does not mean they lack collector interest. Now, let's talk about the most important question. What is the value of the 10 cents 2025 South Africa coin? As of now, the market value is approximately 70K. This value applies mainly to uncirculated condition, mint-fresh coins, collector demand markets. In regular circulated condition, the value may be lower, but New Year coins always attract beginner collectors. So, is this coin rare? At the moment, it is not considered rare because it is a modern circulation coin. However, coins like this can become interesting in the future due to minting variations, low survival rate in mint condition, errors, or special batches. Keeping this coin in uncirculated condition could be a smart move for new collectors. Final thoughts to summarize. The 10 cents 2025 South Africa coin is a modern circulation coin, nationally symbolic in design, valued around 70K, ideal for beginner collectors. If you enjoy collecting world coins, this piece definitely deserves a place in your collection. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share Coin Vault. Tell me in the comments which coin you want to see next. Until then, keep collecting, keep learning. This is Coin Vault signing off.